Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. Welcome to the Weekly Forex Forecast. In today's video, I would like to share with you three amazing technical opportunities that I found that would be the pound dollar, dollar Canadian, and the cross of these two instruments, the pound Canadian. I believe that the combination of the numbers, pure numbers of the percentage change we experience on each of these instruments, the technical analysis and the synchronization of key levels we have there on a weekly chart, daily chart, together with the price reaction and indicators, and the way that the price structures itself with the sequence of highs and lows bring very interesting trading opportunities. So again, in today's video, three amazing opportunities. I hope you find it useful and you will like the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit this like button. Okay, so let's begin. So the first pair I would like to discuss about today would be the pound dollar, a classical condition of technical analysis, fundamental sentiment after the Federal Reserve hints the inflation rate is still too high and they are preparing the ground for more possible rate hikes, and pure numbers, which we will see in a moment. So let's begin with the pound dollar. So I'll go to the market trend snapshot. That's a great feature we have inside Home Trader Club. Now, what I love to do, I love to examine the numbers. Okay, first of all, pure numbers, how the price changes. Now, take a look on the pound dollar. We can see that the 1 month is next to 4% on the negative side. The last 7 days over than 1% negative side, and the 24 hours where didn't do much but still negative. We can clearly understand that the momentum here shifted to the bearish direction and yet maintains. So with that in mind, and the fact that according to the fundamental view and sentiment, what happened is that the Federal Reserve did hint that the interest rates are still too high and they are prepared to hike more, and some negative numbers coming out of Britain recently, the pound is under bearish pressure. So fundamental also with its bearish sentiment. Technically speaking, take a look, what do we have here? So we had this broken support, it becomes a resistance. 130 level was trying to go above that and bounced right under it. Okay, with this beautiful harami candle pattern. Okay, with that in mind, or besides that, take a look what happened with the Bollinger Band. We had upper right on the upper Bollinger Band for over than 20 candles without going to the middle and without retesting the bottom Bollinger Band. Last time we had this condition was here, but we were riding on the lower Bollinger Band. Since then, a major reaction to the downside, to the upside, sorry. Okay, so we put all that together. We get higher highs on the chart. We get lower highs on the MACD histogram, and we get bearish divergence. So the pressure, according to the weekly chart, is also still bearish. And I mark the next zone because take a look what happened here. Resistance, broken resistance became a support, was retested for a few weeks, and then boom, we go below that. The next important zone is here. And according to the volume profile, it's right at that area. Okay, take a look on the 50 moving average. It's also dynamic move here, and the Bollinger Band is here on the bottom. So there is a classical sort of a magnet we have towards this zone. So going down to the daily chart, and here is what we see. The last rally ended with a bearish divergence. The market made higher highs. Indicator, in that case histogram, made lower highs, flipping from positive to negative to lower positive. Our SI bounced right off the overbought conditions on the 80. Okay. Besides that, the most recent trend line was broken, some range, and now we get a break again. Okay, lower lows on the chart. RSI also maintains its lower highs, lower lows, so that it looks like the technical conditions are all set for the price to reach at least the previous lows here and the volume zone, and potentially to reach all the way down to this area, which is a classical zone of demand here, and this low as well. Okay, so for me, the momentum is yet bearish, and every rally is an opportunity to go and to look for further sell, expecting the price to reach the mentioned levels. What are your thoughts about the pound dollar? Share with us in the comment section. Next instrument will be the dollar CAD. Okay, let's take a look on the market trend snapshot like we did with the pound dollar. Now here, the picture is reversed, because if we go to the dollar CAD, we can see that 1 month is next to 3%, 7 days is below 1%, so not significant change, but still positive, and so does the 24 hours. So the momentum here is still bullish in terms of the numbers and the pure percentage change, how the current sentiment goes. Now let's take a look on the weekly chart. So according to the weekly chart, I believe that we should see the market completing the final rally until it will go and get some divergence here. Higher highs on the chart and then lower highs on the indicator. So for the long run, I think there is much more to go. However, on the short term, take a look what dollar CAD is facing after breaking the most recent falling resistance line and channel on a daily chart. So it's facing a major supply area, highs of the seller's control. Take a look what happens here. Sellers, every time buyers are trying to retest this area, sellers take control. And the same happened here, again and again. This is a very strong zone. RSI gets close to overbought conditions. Last time it happened was here, and then here. And every time we saw that with the same conditions, we got a strong reaction to the downside. So as long as this zone holds, maybe a bit even higher to these spikes, where again sellers took strong control, I believe dollar CAD should start and make some pullback, very potentially to go and retest this broken channel. Okay, something like that. Okay, here. From there, according to my analysis with the weekly chart, I would expect to see further continuation upside. But on a short term, okay, with everything explained, I would be looking for fake rallies, fake highs, and bearish condition or bearish reaction since then. We got 3 waves here. This wave starts to create a condition of a bearish divergence. We do have higher highs on the chart, as we can see, but the indicator, in that case, the MACD moving averages, react to this downside. That's a strong hint that the buyers are losing their grip. Take a look also how the price rounds, okay, losing momentum. Okay, what do I mean by that? First move, second move, they gain momentum, and then it's losing momentum, and every high is created slower than before. Okay, with the bearish divergence we just discussed before on the MACD moving average and the RSI, I would expect this strong supply area we saw before create a high and start its correction. Correction which I believe once finished should bring further rallies to join the weekly chart. So that's my view on the dollar CAD. I believe this one has a great technical potential. And besides the technical view, again, why do I like it? Take a look. Unlike the pound dollar, this one has a strong months, but the 7 days and the daily numbers starts to slow down below 1%. Usually that represents loosening, tightening momentum from the controlling forces, at that moment the buyers. Okay, so take a numbers and add that to that, the technical analysis we just saw, and we get a great opportunity to look for short-term sells, long-term buys to join with the monthly. Let me know, what do you think about dollar CAD? Okay, and very interesting. Share with us in the comment section. And the final pair for this video would be the pound CAD, the cross of the two instruments I shared before. Okay, so again, let's go to the market trend snapshot and take a look on the pound CAD. The month is negative, but take a look on the trend. It's a bullish trend, but the change is negative on the monthly chart already. 7 days, less than 1%, but still negative. So despite the uptrend we saw on the chart, the numbers here starts to shift. That's usually, again, take a look how it looks like. Right on the last here, you see how that looks like. It all starts to twist and to change. So with the numbers in mind, let's take a look how the technical analysis look like here. Okay, we have a very strong supply area. How strong all these spikes and the engulfing that form on this area, absolutely major. We have a falling resistance line here connecting the highs of this downtrend, okay, of this bearish channel we've had. It's major top. We have this absolutely strong volume profile based area. Okay, while the market is making higher highs, indicator, histogram, lower highs, moving average, lower highs, RSI now starts to make lower highs. That's as losing momentum. I expect to start to see a bearish correction. Okay, if we go to we can actually see it on the weekly chart. This is a classical wedge here. Okay, structure with a good connection of highs, lows, right? Beautiful. And on a daily chart, we might see a potential double top formation here. Okay, we do have bearish divergence on the moving averages, bearish divergence on the RSI. Okay, so we need a trend change, meaning after a sequence of higher highs and higher lows, we need to start and see the market making lower lows on the chart, lower lows on the indicators. This would be a great indication together with the price that the trend shifts. If that happens, sell the rallies becomes the plan. Okay, very important to mention, we saw where the levels are on the weekly chart. We might see another fake attempt to make a high, something like that. Okay, but the divergence, assuming it will still remain here, every rally could be fake and bring with it next sell. Okay, so for me, I believe the pound CAD entered this very zone where every rally should be countered and rejected by the sellers and provide the short-term sell opportunities. I believe this wedge with the key weekly level and the numbers, we saw the numbers. Okay, I believe this one has a great opportunity to bring the bearish momentum and to shift or twist this current uptrend we had since September 2022. Let me know, what do you think about the pound CAD? Share your thoughts, your views in the comment section. And I would like to take the opportunity and to thank you for watching this video. I hope you find value in it. If you do, please hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider to subscribe. And just remember, enable notifications so you know when there is a new content available for you. Feel free to share this video. This is absolutely open for the community. Everyone who you believe can benefit watching it, feel free to share them. Okay. And I also want to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, where you will get your access to our full trading courses, real-time trading education, real-time trading opportunities, access to the community, and so much more. Take a look how it looks like. Once you're in, you will enjoy the market snapshot, all the trading opportunities we discuss here in real time with real-time education. Okay, access to our full courses for beginners, advanced, all the media zone, with all the webinars and so much more, our live sessions, everything is here for you. Okay, so join us with the link below this video in the description. I hope to see you with us. I wish you and yours all the very best. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you good trading week ahead, and I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.